They called it a ceasefire, but at 3:12 m, something moved. Not away from the battlefield, but toward it. Because sometimes peace isn't real. It's just preparation. To the world, the war had paused. Headlines calm down. Leaders speak of stability. Markets begin to recover. But beneath the surface, nothing stopped. Military units still active. Surveillance still running. Cyber operations ongoing. Because a ceasefire doesn't end a war, it freezes it. And in that frozen moment, both sides started planning something bigger. Back-channel communications continue. Intelligence agencies tracking movements. Weapons being repositioned. Carefully, deliberately. Satellite imagery shows unusual patterns. Defense systems upgraded. Because no one trusts the other side. Not anymore. But one move changed everything. After every strike comes recovery. Damaged systems being rebuilt. Military production restarting. New alliances forming. And this time, they're preparing for something different. Not just to respond, but to finish it. Because the next phase won't look like the last one. Oil routes remain unstable. Economic pressure building. Other nations watching closely. One wrong move, and the entire system reacts. Supply chains fragile. Governments on alert. This isn't just about war anymore. It's about control of the future. But the most dangerous part is what's happening inside the minds of those in charge. Break it down in your signature style. After surviving an attack, no one wants to look weak. Pressure to retaliate stronger. Fear of losing dominance. Need to prove control. So the next decision is always more dangerous than the first. Because it's no longer about defense. It's about pride. And pride has started more wars than weapons ever did. Right now, there are signs. Increased military readiness. Strategic silence returning. Unusual movements detected. The same patterns that appeared before the last strike. History doesn't repeat. It escalates. And if this ceasefire breaks, the next war won't be limited. It won't be 12 hours. It will be everything.